Good evening, friends. This is CA Sarup Ghosh from Stock Show Deck. Just now, the market has closed. I thought to bring in this video to make you understand why Nifty is behaving and what we actually forecasted on Saturday video, last Saturday, after closing of Friday market hours. On Friday, we actually stated that Nifty is facing a big resistance. This was predicted on 8th of June. If you look at the dates here, 8th of June, and we had the firm conviction that market is going to go down, which we said on last Saturday. Why? Because Nifty, this is on the green line, and green lines are time retracement line. And on Saturday, we predicted that from Monday it is going to be a big surprise. Nifty is going to reverse from the top, and this is we identified as trap level, which we explained in the last video. If you do not understand what is the trap and how it is measured, please go through that video. Now, so on Friday, after the closing hours, we predicted that Nifty has been exhausted. When the market seems to be bullish here after a long rally, we predicted this is the date, as per time correction, this is the date when the market is expected to reverse. So let's see how these 2 days market has behaved. So let's move to Nifty. This is today's Nifty. So I'll go to the daily chart and I will explain in a few things here. On the daily chart, if you look at on Friday, seeing this, we said this was a trap. We told that this was a trap, right? And this trap we came to know on Friday. So in fact, this was the line we declared as exhausted line. We predicted much earlier, and these are all Fibo dynamic lines. So once we move to different time frame, intraday time frame, all these things would be changed automatically. And coming back to the discussion, after we have spotted the date, it is very easy for us to take a short trade here. And Nifty has exactly behaved in that fashion. And even it is possible to predict from here how long it will travel. So therefore, that how long, you need to learn how long and why it is at that level. Let us also explain other things that has emerged. So let's move on to a 15-minute time frame at the same chart, Nifty. So this is a 15-minute time frame. This is today's. Just now the market has closed. So this is the Nifty spot chart. A Nifty spot chart, you have seen that it has crashed from the top. From what level? It has actually crashed. This is a high from 10,293. Nifty has crashed to 10,027. That means almost 300 points. And this 300 points is not new to us. We predicted and we knew that this could be the level of correction. So we have taken put, we have shorted Nifty, and then you can mint money easily. So even during the time frame, if you look at the signals, today is 8th, right? So in the morning, today is 9th, sorry. So today is 9th, yeah. So in the morning, how Nifty behaved? In the morning, Nifty has actually given us a hammer type. I mean, this is not hammer. This is shooting star. But it is in the middle of a trend. So, and then thereafter, Nifty actually has started moving up. But these are all, we said all along, this is a false move. So even we have not entered in any buy buy alerts. Even if the system is has given us buy alerts, we have not taken any trade. We are not interested. We are interested in shorting because the overall trend was short. So at 130, actually at 115, our system has given a beautiful sell alert here. And look at the diamond. This is the diamond shape. So once this diamond gives you a confirmation, there is no looking back. So you can catch this rally, and this has not ended here. And another beauty of this entire process, first of all, the Fibonacci lines, so called, we use it for support and resistance. So these are all dynamic and automatic. I don't have to draw anything. Everything is plotted automatic during my trade, and therefore, in intraday, it really helps you a lot that every time you don't have to find out. So this is the capability that you have developed, and also what the capability which we have, killer capability that we have developed, that is in this divergence part. Now this is the usual Nifty divergence, okay? And with the Nifty, the chart is Nifty, but if we look at this, we are comparing with HDFC Bank. Why? Because HDFC Bank has big weightage on Nifty. So we would like to see how HDFC Bank has actually pulled the Nifty down. So we have the ability to even change here. If we move to, if we change HDFC Bank to Reliance, so we can take either. So if we select Reliance, automatically it is plotted in the current market what exactly is the position of Reliance. So therefore we have seen that this is actually helping you to take a good trade. When you are at short, you would like to see that what my big brothers are doing, and you see big brothers are also moving in tandem. So therefore, it is contrary to 8th of June, that is the previous day, when I have seen that this 8th of June, when we closed around this, that Reliance has gone below where Nifty closed above. So therefore that actually has given us a hint that tomorrow maybe there could be a false breakout, and exactly that has happened, because overall Nifty is weak. So and the big brother was down, but Nifty, some other stocks have actually held the Nifty from falling severely. So that severeness has actually inflicted here. So here we have the capability to identify automatic candle. You see candle reference, automatic signal, X signal with a diamond, with a short sell. So therefore you just cannot miss it, and you will be forced to take this trade. And once you take this, you will have no regret but to catch these about 300 points. And one trade in the whole day actually will fetch you how much you have fetched. If you have entered here, it is 10,166 and it is 10,027. So about 150 points in Nifty, and in anything, if about 150 point means is a 75 lot into 150 points without any risk, 11,250. You don't have to look at any other thing. Now I will show you one more thing. Let us say that we are actually trading in Reliance. So once we start trading in Reliance, see how Reliance has behaved. And then Reliance, you see the chart has, I will show you one thing. Yeah. So you see the chart has converted into one line. So therefore in this line I would like to see in relation to Reliance how Nifty has behaved. So let's see, let's change it here. We change it to Nifty. We change it to Nifty 50. Okay. So all along it is showing big brother is coming down, so it is pushing the Nifty down. So therefore Nifty is coming down. Nifty is your green line, and this is your Reliance line, normal usual line. So since big brother is coming down, it is pulling the market down. So you exactly know, so either to take a put in Reliance or to go to Nifty, it is your choice, or you can take both. So here, if you look at Reliance on individual stock on today, actually it is giving a sell signal from 8th, and today is 9th, and automatically this fib, you have seen that have not drawn, automatically it was drawn, and then we got two beautiful signal here. In fact, the best signal in Nifty, which you got it here. Yes, this is the one. And once if you have shorted it here at 1562, and Reliance has closed at 1535, so about 30 points in Reliance is big money. 30 into 500 lots, 500 into 30, 500 into 30. Do you think 15,000 is so tough to make? Because you have such a good signal supported, and this is something that even a 10-year-old child can trade. You don't have to tell anything, you don't have to think anything, just execute the trade, and the money will start flowing, and hold on the trade. You see, it has not even crossed the hit the stop loss. It is continuously downward from top to bottom, and it was going until this level where it had got little bit of support. This is not a support, this is basically halt. Again you have a shooting star, and then it has come down. So the halt has not come, and as long as you are seeing these signals, you will be in the trade, you will not get out of the trade. You look at how the big your number of big candles here. So therefore this is how you should execute the trade, dear friends. So trading has made really very, very easy. If you look at even other charts also, it will behave in the same fashion. So no point in going to Bank Nifty, beyond Bank Nifty. So I will also explain the Bank Nifty part of it quickly, so that, and with the Bank Nifty I will also mix the HDFC Bank, because this has got a very high weightage here. So what I will do is I will change from Nifty. When I am doing Bank Nifty, I will put HDFC, which is a big brother, HDFC Bank, which is a big brother. So I will yeah. So therefore you see that how HDFC has actually influenced the entire trade. On 9th we have a big gap up, but again that was a false gap up. So therefore we will not be interested in this kind of stocks until we will get a sell alert. And at this particular moment, 1345, 145, you get a diamond shape, and once you get a diamond shape, you are through. You need to get only one diamond shape in your favor to do the trade, and then from there HDFC has actually from Nifty has 21,200 has fallen to 20,650. That means about 500 points Nifty has fallen. So Bank Nifty has fallen. So this is how you can make a trade. Even you can take one lot, and then that could be a winning trade. Okay friends, thank you very much. Be in touch. This is CA Swarup Ghosh signing off. If you want to be part of this kind of trading system, you can contact me at 91430, or you can email me in my number, which will be attached to this video. Thank you very much.